Okay, this is MCT training consultant with MCT SaaS apps. SaaS means software as a service, and we try to promote softwares and on specials, especially with discount or lifetime deals, where people can take advantage, especially small businesses, medium businesses, and any organization that feels that it can be applicable to their process. Now, today we're going to be talking about BeLive. What is BeLive? BeLive is a live streaming software. Everyone wants to do live streaming these days, whether from your cell phone, your laptop, your computer. Everyone loves live streaming. But what about if I can give you a live streaming studio where you can actually go live from the comfort of your home? Now, BeLive, a live streaming platform which allows anyone with the use of a computer, internet access, and guess what? With just Google Chrome, you can go live and start live streaming. But then, why do people want to do live streaming? What are the advantages of live streaming? Why should I care about live streaming? Live streaming helps you to boost your business with branded live streaming. Now, not just any live streaming software, but with BeLive. BeLive allows you to boost your business by creating a branded approach while you're doing your live streaming. It's like having your own live talk show. Now, let's talk about this. The truth is this: using BeLive, all you need is a laptop and a camera and the internet connection. You don't really need a fancy equipment or a studio setup or break the bank in order for you to go live. So with BeLive, these all the requirements of getting those really fancy equipment and some of those expensive studio applications are no longer required. So what can I do with BeLive? Now, BeLive allows you to interview experts up to about 4 people on screen, meaning while people are watching your live streaming, you can divide the stream into 4 parts and you can have 4 people represented on those screens. You can also increase live engagement by displaying viewer comments. So while you're doing your live streaming, you can display comments and questions that your viewers are asking on your social media platform. Meaning, when people make comments on Facebook or Twitter, while they're watching the live streaming, they could see those information live on the screen while they're watching. It also allows you to create a kind of a professional level streaming with your branded logo, and also changes the colors. So you can change your colors to match your brand color and also create some custom graphics. So who can actually, who can use BeLive, or who's BeLive good for? Anybody who's a content creator, meaning you create content, then BeLive is for you, because you need to communicate with the audience. That's why you create content. Anybody who wants to offer online courses or online training or coaching, then you want to get BeLive. Now, the reason why we're going through this is because BeLive is running a special right now where you have a lifetime deal. So it also allows you to display comments on the screen, which we talked earlier on, and lower third. Just like when you watch the CNN, you see those lower third below the newscaster where it talks about news of they try to give you the title of the news they're trying to broadcast and some information just below the lower third. BeLive allows you to create a lower third, especially where you could display the comments that people are asking on your social media platform. So when it comes to growing your community or your audience on social media platform, then BeLive makes it even more great or merrier. Now, one of the nice things about BeLive, in fact, this is one of the things I love about BeLive. It allows you to schedule, meaning you can create a schedule in the next 7 days before you go live, and promote that broadcast ahead of time and provide people links where they could join that live streaming, and this in turn of course creates more engagement even before you go live, where people can before then ask you a lot of questions: what this live stream is going to be about, what are we expecting, and some of the questions. You can actually encourage people to give you some questions before the live streaming, so that while the live streaming goes live, people know their questions is already ready to be answered. So with BeLive, you can actually go live in a matter of minutes, and all you need is just a click of a button on your computer. Like I said before, you just need a laptop, internet connected, and a camera. Remember, you can either buy an HD camera or webcam, or you can use the beauty camera from your laptop. So what are some of the features of BELive? Remember, these are just some of the few features I've mentioned here. When you go to the website, there's a lot more of details there of all the features that you'll find there, but I'll be talking about that later on. Branding, meaning you can put your logos, you can put your own background, your overlays, your colors to match your brand. We also have what we call feeds. Feeds is where you can connect multiple camera. You can do photo sharing, meaning if you want to show the live streaming audience a particular video you're watching or information you want to pass to them, you can also share your screen with a different host. You can also invite people who don't have cameras. Let's say you have a guest that want to join the live streaming, you can invite them with just audio only, and you can also split your screen. In fact, you can have up to about 12 screen layouts as well. And the different types of networks are available currently is YouTube and Facebook. Twitter and LinkedIn is coming soon. Simcast is coming soon, and custom ROTM is also coming soon. Every time I see an application online and it has a mobile app, it makes my day. It makes my day. Why? Because it means on the go, I can actually go live. And that's one of the beauty about BELive. Now, before you can go live on your audio on the mobile, one of the advantages of the mobile is that it also acts as a remote assistant, meaning you can control your live streaming from your cell phone even while you're doing your live streaming on your laptop. So all the features that are there are HD download, meaning if you're doing a live stream on Facebook, you want the offline copy, you want the HD format and upload it to your YouTube audience, then you have it. BELive gives you that ability to download the HD format from your live stream. Audio format, you can also download just the audio, probably for your podcast. Come on, this is great. In fact, one of the nice things about the audio download is because remember your live streaming was video format, but you have audience on your podcast platform, and you can share the audio format of your live streaming or your webinar with your audio platform. Now, another thing is that live shopping, meaning you can display items on your live streaming, provide people with a link, and they can make a purchase. So how do I go live on BELive? Very easy. Just I think about 6 steps. First, you go to be.live, which is a website. You click on start broadcast. Of course, you must have logged in with your account already. The next step is to pick a destination. What I mean destination, do you want to live streaming on Facebook or Twitter? It will redirect you to those platforms to authenticate. And once you're done with that, then you can add your custom branding and any other information you want to stream. Then you connect your cameras. Of course, make sure the cameras, make sure you're able to see yourself. And once that is done, voila, your broadcasting started. And of course, it comes to the countdown time. So when you click on the start button, the countdown time will start. And of course, it gives you enough time to compose yourself before you go live. So this is a very easy software to use. All you need, like I said before, is a laptop and a browser. Now, the next slide I want to show you is the costs of BELive. But before I do that, I'm going to show you the website and give you an experience of how the website looks like, so that before you make your purchase, you can understand how the software works by going to the official website. Just give me a minute. Okay, thank you. Just a minute, I'm going to go through BELive. Now, this is a BELive website. And it allows you to do professional live streaming. And one of the nice things I like about this website is that it has all the tools that you need. So you don't really need to install expensive software on your computer. All you need is a laptop, internet connection, and of course your Google Chrome browser installed. So you can see the images here. That is the way it looks like, and these are some of the great testimonials. You can come in and listen to them to help you make your decision. And these are the amount of engagement, of views they've had, and the amount of streamings they've created over time. And this is the experience for BELive. You know, you can add informations, you can see the interface, really beautiful. You can mix different types of pictures and different types of images, and all these informations can be watched live on your YouTube channel, on your Facebook channel, whichever way, whichever platform you're using for your live streaming. So they have a 14 days trial, but we don't have time for that right now because it's going on a lifetime. So take time, go to the website, see what the website can offer you, read all the informations, and click that button to make your purchase right now. If you want to have a live streaming made easy, then BELive is for you. Thank you for watching. Okay, thank you very much for watching that. Is that not great? Look at the website, a lot of testimonies there, and yeah, it's the cost. Now, per year, it will cost you close to about 10,500 rands or Namibian dollars for this software. Meaning, for 5 years, it's going to cost you about 50,000. But let's look at it from the brighter side. You're paying 2,500 in the next 72 hours. Meaning, between now, which is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 12 noon, all you need to do is to pay 2,500 and you can have this software for life. Meaning by next year, you don't even pay. The year after that, you don't pay. The year after that, for the next 10 years, you don't pay a dime. And this is a great software. This is a company that is there to stay. It's not going to close in the next 3 years. And if it closes in the next 3 years, I've gotten all I need for the 2,500 I'm paying for. So like I said, for the next 72 hours, starting right now, it's going for 2,500, and you'll be able to have your own account. You'll be able to log in, activate the software, and you can start live streaming on a monthly basis without paying a dime. Now, why wait to pay 10,500 if you think this is something you can actually use? And if it's a future, if you're looking at it to start live streaming in the future, then take advantage of this right now. So, how do I buy the app? There is a link below this. There's a link below this video. You can click on that on this post, or you can follow the link on the video if you're just watching the video alone. Here is the link. All you need to do is to type this link on your URL browser. It will take you to the to where you can check out. You make the payment, and once the payment is received, then we make the purchase for your voucher, for your code. I will deliver you the code, and you'll be able to activate your account. So do not waste time. Sign up immediately. Try to go to the website, look at what the website is talking all about, and make that purchase. So I want to say a big thank you for taking a few minutes of your time to watch this video. This is a great tool, BELive, live streaming platform. It allows anyone with the use of a computer, the use of a built-in camera or webcam, and connected to the internet to go live on any social media platform. Thank you once again. You can contact us on the number on the screen. You can follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, and if you want to send us an email, you can see the email on the screen. You can also send us an email from that email. And like I said, do not waste time and be blessed. Thank you for watching. Take care.